Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you.
Cylinder heads away, turbos away. How's it going, everyone? I'm your builder guy. This is a SRT-4 engine. It's a 2.6 DCR stroker. Today the goal is to look at the crankshaft, look at the connecting rods, put the engine on a stand. Also, I wanted to put some Brembo brakes on it, so we might look into that here in a little bit. So let's start with taking the transmission off. Alright, the transmission's off. Looks fairly decent. Not too much clutch dust. The clutch itself looks pretty worn. I'm going to take it to the machine shop, see if they could save this flywheel for me, because I don't like these spots. I don't know what y'all think, but it doesn't look too good. I know how you guys love these shameless plugs. But Turbo Import Parts has a 2016 Mazda Miata, so if you need any parts, hit them up. Link is going to be in the description. What I'm going to try to do is use these Brembo brakes into the SRT-4. So before we put the engine on the stand, let's see if these calipers will mount up to the SRT. Alright, so got this Brembo off the Miata, got the caliper off of the SRT. Let's see if the bolts will line up. Top one's going in just fine. Ah, so close. So close. I'm wondering if they have a kit for this, or if something that I can do to modify this. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. I think that would be pretty cool if it would look like this. Yeah, that would look really cool. I want to see what it's going to look like with the rotor. I think it's too thick. Yeah. Well, that was a hit and a miss. Yeah, I see what's going on. Even if the bolts did line up, they still needed to be pushed out so far out. I guess they're not going to be going onto the SRT-4. So if you need some Brembos for your Miata, hit up Turbo Import Parts. Link is in the description. Alright, well, it took about 4 of us to get it on the stand. She looks good. Let's flip her over and see how she looks on the bottom. Oh yeah, Mr. Strong Guy. Let's do it. Alright, get slapped. we cleaned it up a little bit, and she looks mighty fine, if I may say so myself. This engine is ready. It's clean. Everything looks good. You could literally spin it by hand. This crank is just amazing. All right. Well, we're gonna finish cleaning this off camera. Get to that oil oil pan, and we're gonna see what we could do about this clutch. But I think that is gonna be the end for today's episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you for the shares, comments, subscribes. It's awesome. I appreciate it. So I'll see y'all next week.